Saki here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have something really exciting because we are doing an unboxing. So this is kind of an unexpected item, but I do believe either last year or the year before that this item was on my wish list. However, I kind of forgot about it for a while, but then I was just browsing the internet again on one of my favorite websites and I just couldn't resist this item, especially with spring being so close, like right around the corner. So yeah, I did end up making this purchase and I'm just so excited to share it with you guys. Now, if you do like these types of videos and you're also a fan of luxury, please hit that subscribe button down below before you go. Alright, so here is the box that it came in. I'm so excited for this. Alright, so when I open it up, there is the little receipt booklet. So yes, I did buy this from myteresa.com. I love shopping from here. They have so many great items on their website and their shipping is so fast. Like, I think I got this literally a couple days after I ordered it, which I don't know, I just think that's really fast, especially like during COVID times and stuff. And here is the box. Yes, it is another Gucci item. Who am I? What am I doing? I don't know. I wouldn't even say that like I've been into Gucci recently, but you know, these have been on my wish list for a long time and I just kind of wanted to treat myself, especially, you know, like I said, with spring right around the corner. I thought this would be a great idea to buy. And as you can tell, these are Gucci shoes, and let me tell you guys, if you have never bought Gucci shoes before, they are literally like the most comfortable shoes ever. I mean, I have stuff from like Gucci loafers to Gucci heels, and everything that I've ever bought from this brand has always been extremely comfortable when it comes to footwear, so I was really excited to buy this. And here's the reveal to you guys is this beautiful pair of Gucci pumps. Oh my god, how freaking cute are these? Oh my god, the color just makes my heart melt. I mean, of course they're pink, but this specific shade of pink I just think is so pretty, especially for, you know, the upcoming spring and summer season. I think this is going to be really awesome. Alright, so these are the Gucci platform high sandals in the color Perfect Pink. Oh, I feel like my Gucci loafers are also in the color called Perfect Pink, but these look a little bit lighter. I'm not actually too sure. And I already packed my other shoes up, so I can't confirm that for you guys. But yeah, these pink shoes are just so cute. Now, the size that I got also is 36.5. Now, about sizing, so I actually have my other Gucci like loafers at a size 37, but then I believe my other heels in Gucci are 36.5, and then these are 36.5. Now, my rule of thumb usually for luxury shoes, well, for any shoes really, is that I buy like a 7 or 37 in stuff that's like sneakers or anything that's flat, because I think that's more comfortable. But then things that have to like stay on my foot and really hug my foot and stay on, like heels or sandals or anything, I usually try to buy 36.5, because if I buy 37, usually I feel like my foot is slipping in and out, if that makes sense. So I really need that extra like tight grip, especially on the back, like towards my heel. So that's why I always size like a half step down, if that makes sense. So yeah, that is what I bought these shoes in. It is 36.5, and there were actually two different like heights to this. So I bought the one that's a little bit lower. I can't remember. Yeah, I am not actually sure, but this is like the lower block heel. So there is one that I believe is like 100 millimeters. I feel like I might be making those numbers up, but anyways, there is a taller one and a shorter one. Now, I went with the shorter one because I don't really need to be that tall. I mean, I like having a little bit of a lift, but honestly, a little bit of a lift is enough. Now, the reason why this one is so comfortable is because it is a platform heel. So although the heel looks like it might be, you know, pretty big when you look at it this way, because the front does have a platform, the angle at which your foot is resting isn't that high. So it's very comfortable to walk in. I mean, I haven't gone anywhere in these shoes yet, but I have tried them on and walked around. That's another thing as well that I've learned from buying luxury shoes. Always walk around your house in them as much as you can before you decide to return or keep them. Obviously, you want to be careful with like maybe only walking on carpet and stuff, not to damage the soles of the shoes or anything. But with luxury shoes, especially for how expensive they are, I always recommend that you try to walk around in them as much as possible in your house on carpet. So before we continue with today's video, I wanted to quickly thank today's video sponsor, Skillshare. So if you guys have never heard about Skillshare before, they are an online learning learning platform that promotes creativity in many different forms, such as photography, film and video, creative writing, and more. There are a ton of different classes offered on Skillshare. One in particular that I really want to check out is called Colorful Flat Lays Artistic Photos of Everyday Objects, taught by photographer Tabitha Park. This class is all about creating the perfect flat lays inside of your home while working on essential photography skills such as lighting and composition. There are classes for pretty much everyone on Skillshare, whether you're a beginner or an intermediate, and they have no problem fitting any busy schedule as most classes are 60 minutes and less. Skillshare is also created specifically for learning, so there are never any ads and there are premium classes being added all the time. It's also really affordable as it's less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. There's also a really awesome promotion going on right now, so the first 1,000 of my subscribers who click on the link below in my description will get a free premium membership trial so that you can explore your creativity too. Thank you again so much to Skillshare for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to it. Alright, so I did want to show you guys what these shoes look like on. I've packed most of my clothing, especially the, spring and summer clothes that I'm not using right now as it's currently winter, but I do have this dress that I just bought from a company called Poly, and it's kind of extra and like super like evening-y, but I do want to show you that these shoes will work with an outfit like this. How freaking cute are these? Also, please just disregard my lack of a manicure. I mean, it is winter, so I'm pretty much wearing nothing but boots these days. So I'm not prepared for this, but yeah, these just are what the shoes look like on. They are so freaking comfortable, like I was saying. And yeah, I just think that they look really, really cute. Even with an outfit like this, that's definitely more of like an evening wear kind of thing. I think that it looks really good, but also I feel like it's going to look really, really cute with stuff like sundresses and that kind of thing. So yeah, I'm just really, really excited to be wearing these. I also feel like you could wear these kinds of shoes with like the, I don't know, like Veronica Beard suit that I just bought, and maybe even jeans. I just think that this is so versatile, and because they're so comfortable, you're gonna have no problem at all walking, even if you do buy like the taller heeled ones. Alright, so that was all for my video. What do you guys think about my new shoes? Do you like this kind of shoe? Do you like the platform style? Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. And before I go, I just wanted to quickly remind you guys about February's giveaway. This is one of my most exciting giveaways yet. I am partnering with Love Shop to give away this really cute pink bucket bag from their shop. With Love Shop is a company that I worked with before on my YouTube channel, and they sell so many cute and girly items on their website. Please go check them out if you haven't already. I will leave the link to their shop down below. But yeah, we are giving away this bucket bag to one lucky winner at the end of the month. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is enter this emoji in the comment section down below. Please make sure in your comment that you also leave your Instagram username so that I can find you and message you if you do win. You do also have to be subscribed to me on YouTube and following me and with Love Shop on Instagram as well. All of the rules will be down in the description box below, so please check them out before you go. I also wanted to quickly thank Skillshare again for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out the link in my description. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you're staying safe and healthy out there, and I will see you next time. Bye!
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game.